Have you ever thought why Shakespeare is always on the top of the English writers when it comes to English literature? Actually, Shakespeare has undergone all the life trials and tribulations which culminate, which transform a man into a genius man. So, I will give you certain life incidents and anecdotes from the life of Shakespeare, which will give you the most inspiring lessons. Even though Shakespeare was not rich, he belonged to a very poor family. He belonged to a glove maker family in England who had a very meager source of income. His father was glove maker. He had no wealth, and as a result, he could not attend the university education. So this signifies that this dance upon us that even though we lack the resources, but we may not lack the passion and the determination to keep following our dreams. And the second anecdote from the life of Shakespeare is that he got married at the age of 18. When someone gets married, the responsibilities are multiplied, responsibilities mount up. So in the face of these responsibilities, he did not give up, but kept on chasing the opportunities, which clicked his mind that he can do. Moreover, there are certain years in the life of Shakespeare, like from 1585 to 1593, which is reported that there was a not even single record available in the life of a Shakespeare. So nobody could notice where Shakespeare went, whether Shakespeare disappeared, and where he lived. There was no report like that. So this gives a simple a message that even though our days, our life is full of uncertainties, we have to disappear from the screen and just come back with the more momentum and the more force. And another anecdote